Hey guys, Spencer here, and today I'm going to address a question that we get all the time when customers call in, and that is, how do I fix my CD player or DVD player or Blu-ray player if it's not reading? So the first solution is always to clean the lens, and this is how you do it. Let's get started. The main two tools that you need are a screwdriver, it could be big or small, doesn't really matter, and then some Q-tips. And then optional would be rubbing alcohol and an air can of some kind to get any dust out that might be in there. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is remove the screws that are holding on the top. There might be some on the sides and on the back or on one or the other. Just get them off and then take the top off. And sometimes removing the top can be a little tricky. This one requires you to grab it by the ends and bend it upward a little bit. Some of them will slide back and pop off. Some of them will have a clip that's holding it on. And when you do take the top off, be careful not to cut yourself because there can be some sharp edges on it. So now that we have the top off, you're gonna want to use your air can. If you have one, go ahead and get all the dust out of it. And then after you do that, we need to get access to the lens assembly. So the way that you would do that is on some DVD players, you'll need to remove two small screws and then remove the top that holds the disc in place. And for this one that I'm working on, we don't need to do that. We can just slide the lens all the way to the back and that will give us access just fine. And then once you have access to it, go ahead and get your Q-tip, and if you have rubbing alcohol, get it wet, and then wipe the lens down. And if you did use rubbing alcohol, make sure that it's dry before you put it all back together. And then now that the lens is clean, you can go ahead and put it all back together and try it out again. Your disc player should now be working, and if it isn't, then you can maybe try turning up the laser, but that's only a temporary solution. If it's doing this, I recommend replacing the device or working on replacing the lens assembly inside of it, which can be a little tricky these days since parts aren't as readily available as they once were. I hope this video was able to help you fix your disc player. If not, you can send it in to us for a repair, or you can order a replacement online from our website, or you can give us a call to order. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.